Alright, wanna play Portal 2? Portal 2. Because it goes Portal 2. It's only midnight!
So?
So?
Actually, it's like 11 here, but still.
Okay, it's 11. Go get it.
Hi.
I'm vlogging.
Wait, hold up. Do you have an ID?
I don't have an ID because I'm still 15.
You can still get an ID.
Let me see your ID.
I didn't get mine yet.
I don't know why I'm
Well,
filming
neither
this.
did I.
But you're 15. You're supposed to have one, so unless you get in trouble.
No one likes me.
See, that's what I thought. I'm gangster. He's got a
Okay, wait, let's see if my friend Logan. This Logan is in Michigan.
He gets mad that easy?
No, he's not mad.
He's not. I hate you, asshole!
No one likes me!
Tell RJ get out of line.
Why is everyone being a dick? I'll go make a music video with Allie. Hey Allie, what's up? Hey, what up, yo? Are you talking trash about me over there, boy? Are you talking trash? Are you talking trash?
Squishing your head.
What?
Your head. Squish.
You squishing my head?
Yep. Come on, you're squishing it.
Okay. Awesome. Oh.
This is probably a very...
Yeah. Ow. That hurts really bad. Ow. Stop. No. Ow. No.
And I'm pretty.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're beautiful. God, that's so ugly.
Hey.
I mean, you're beautiful and pretty, and I love you.
Hey, you know what? Everyone watching your videos out there, you should all know I'm the one that came up with the Jillianites thing. I'm the person that came up with that. So don't give her credit.
He lies.
He did.
Bullshit.
He
I'm
lies.
the one that came up with it. Bullshit. Okay, I told you on numerous occasions. You're like, oh no, that's stupid. Me. And then all of a sudden you decided to change your mind. You're like, oh, that's catchy. I guess we'll use it. It was my idea. Trust me.
Did you guys see his double chin? I'm gonna freeze it at that. Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I don't have a double chin.
Oh, I want to see what the difference it looks like. Hold on, wait. Oh.
Hey, you want half?
Oh
Hey,
shit.
I have one of those.
What word? Oh. 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 Is it on there?
I used to have that kind.
It's not as good as I expected. But anyway, oh shit, I still have to hold it out like this, so, like...